Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to write DAX to obtain the fiscal month number for a year. So for example, it is July. July is the first month of the fiscal year. August is the second fiscal month. September is the third fiscal month, and so on and so forth. So how do we do that? So I've already written a formula here, and I'll leave this in the video notes so you can download this and do the tutorial or experiment with it for your own date dimension. So all I'm doing is I'm checking if the month is less than 7. So if it is the first 6 months of the year, we just get the month date. So we get the month and we add +6 to it. So for example, if it is January, we get month, which is January, and we add 6, so it's the 7th month. If it is February, we get month, which is 2, and then we add 6, so it starts rolling on. So January is 7, February is 8, March is 9, and it goes on for June, and it makes June the 12th month. Now let's say if the month is July, what happens? We divide it by 7 and the remainder is 0, and then we add a 1. So July becomes the first month. Similarly for August, if we divide the month number, which is 8, by 7, we get remainder 1, and then we add 1, 2. So it starts rolling, and this is fairly accurate. So for example, let's say you wanted to check maybe which is the first month, or let's say just say the second month, and we'll come back to this. So August is the second month, which is correct, and we'll clear this filter out. And if I just say maybe I want to see the 5th month of the fiscal year, so the 5th month of the fiscal year is November. So this formula gives us the fiscal month numbers, and then you can sort by the fiscal month numbers if you wanted to have a report where you needed this sort of a calculation. So in this video, we learned how to calculate the fiscal month numbers for a date dimension in Power BI using the DAX. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.